The all-new 2020 Lexus RCF Track Edition car is the opportunity for the true motorsports enthusiast to possibly have a car that's good for the track and the luxury car touch. On the Track Edition, a new launch control feature delivers 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds, all with the naturally aspirated 5.0 V8 pushing out an impressive 472 horsepower. Delivering the 395 foot-pounds of torque to the rear tires is an 8-speed transmission. Now also putting that power to the ground is using a specialty tire with a Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires designed directly for that car. And stopping the car are Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, something you wouldn't expect on a car like this. On the inside, Alcantara seat accents and red carbon trim on the doors and dashboard. Only 2 exterior colors will be available, Ultra White and Matte Nebula Gray, an exclusive color only available on the Track Edition. Lexus also took weight reduction into consideration, lightening the hood, roof, wing, as well as the special Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires are lighter weight as well, taking a little bit out of the sidewalls, lighter axles, as well as having the carbon ceramic brakes, all adds up to 176 pounds of weight reduction. What makes this car special is being still naturally aspirated V8, pushing out 472 horsepower, something you wouldn't expect out of a car without a turbo or something of the sort. So I love just being me, a race car driver, having naturally aspirated V8 underneath my right foot. With a limited production of only 60 cars in April of 2019, this Lexus with reduced weight, improved suspension, improved aerodynamics could possibly be a luxury car to take on the track. This is Camden Murphy with Sons of Speed, and we'll see you guys next time.